draw Peppa Pig's house. So, let's get started. First, let's draw a big, tall house shape. Peppa's house is simple and cute. It had a triangle roof on top. On the roof, draw a little antenna. Add lines on the roof to make a tile pattern. For that, make some horizontal and some vertical lines. Draw windows with window frames. Then draw the front door where Peppa and George come outside to play. Let's draw some more windows. Line at the bottom to make a grassy ground. Let's draw a fluffy cloud in the sky. Draw a bright, happy sun with shining rays. Add a tree on the side. Peppa loves playing near her house. Now we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. Let's color the windows blue, shiny and bright. To color the roof. Peppa's house has a red roof. Nice and bright. Now let's color the walls a cheerful yellow. Peppa Pig's house always looks sunny, even on cloudy days. Color the tree leaves green. Here's our fluffy cloud. Just a light blue touch to make it soft and cute. Time to brighten up the sun. Let's color it yellow and orange. Color the grass green. This is where Peppa jumps and laughs. And finally, let's color the sky blue. it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.